as you take to the roadways over the next hour or two, I think you will be just fine as far as the storms go. But if you do have a parking garage at work, certainly park in that later on today. As some of these storms start to roll in this afternoon, we will have the potential for seeing hail just like yesterday. A few very isolated showers north of Williamsport, a few more to the northwest of Lafayette, and that's just about all we have going on in central Indiana right now. But the storm's starting to fire up once again in central Illinois. You notice pockets of very heavy rainfall with a lot of lightning. None of these storms are severe as of right now, but they are producing very, very heavy rainfall. And this will be the trend as these storms start to roll into central Indiana, that they will be on an isolated basis, very similar to yesterday. Things really have not changed all that much. The one thing that will change later on this afternoon, though, is a cold front will sweep through, and that'll bring the end to the severe weather, but it may be more of an organized line of storms coming through. So these storms right now, they are streaming off towards the north and northeast, so we have to look a little further to our south to see the storms that are coming in our direction. But nonetheless, as soon as the sun comes up and we get into the daytime heating, we are expecting the storms to become a little more numerous. And the Storm Prediction Center, look at this, has the entire state of Indiana under the enhanced risk for severe weather during the day today for what could be, once again, several rounds of severe weather moving through, with wind and hail being the two main threats, but we can't rule out the chance of maybe a possible isolated tornado warning here or there. So a very active day taking shape for us, Ashley, but the good news is temperatures at least still well on the mild side.
Yeah, pretty mild temperatures for us in the forecast for today. Actually, even by afternoon, we may even call it warm. Yeah, mid-70s in the forecast. But let's talk about what's happening here as you head out the door this morning. I think we're pretty quiet for now. We could see damp conditions, of course, from yesterday's rain. 3/4 of an inch of rain falling in Indianapolis just yesterday. By the noon hour, 69 degrees, rain and storms. I think at the noon hour, we're probably seeing some stronger storms slide in here, the possibility of severe storms. But I think we really ramp up that severe weather chance this evening. All right, so here we go. This morning, 9:30 a.m., some storms starting to slide in here from Frankfort into Crawfordsville into Lebanon. And then we'll see the storms kind of slide in and out of here, bringing heavy downpours of rain, the possibility of hail, and, of course, some pretty gusty winds throughout the day. At 2 p.m., when the system begins to move out, we get a break in the activity. And tonight, we'll ramp up that storm threat as we'll see temperatures fall down into the 60s at 10 p.m. Showers and storms sliding through. Heavy downpours of rain at times. So tomorrow morning, you're going to wake up to a damp morning once again. I know it's been a rainy week. We'll dry it out for the weekend, but next week, we do it all over again.